you to wake up? I need your help. Honey. Honey, do you hear me? I'm calling you. Honey, are you okay?
Oh, I'm in a lot of pain.
A lot of pain where?
My heart and my lung too.
Your heart and lung too?
Yeah.
You don't want me to call Shaman too?
Yeah.
Okay, you just stay there. I'll call Shaman and check you, okay?
Yeah.
Why did he not pick it up?
Gosh, who calling me? Hello?
Hello? Is this Boost?
Who? Who's? Sorry, wrong number.
Boost, the Shaman.
Oh, yeah. This is me. What's the problem?
Me husband, he done sick. He done hurt his heart and lung too.
Oh my God, his lung too?
Yeah, his lung too.
Okay, I come in tomorrow, okay?
Okay, I see you tomorrow, okay? Bye.
Are you Ray?
Yes, I am. And who are you?
I am the shaman.
Why are you here?
Here to help your son, Bob. He's really sick.
Yes, I know. I hear you say.
Why?
Because I am hungry. I want to kill somebody or something troubles.
Okay, I will send your request to your son. Okay, your son gonna give you a chicken, okay? Okay, your son gonna give you a pig, okay? Okay, your son gonna give you a cow, okay? Your daddy want a cow. I can't afford a cow. Just give him a chicken. Okay, son said give you a chicken, okay? You're gonna get chicken.